Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, let's talk about 3 products that can really make you look like a hero when it comes to cleaning using the Encap method. Stick around to find out more. So today I want to talk to you about 3 products in our Release It line that really can make you stand out when it comes to encapsulation cleaning. In other words, we're going to cover basically anything you can come up against with these 3 products. So let's start off with Encap-Clean DS2. It's our most popular product, and for good reason. You can use this in a Cymex machine, orbital machine, rotary machine, a CRB machine, you name it. Encap-Clean DS2 is fantastic. The reason why it works so well is that it just gets in and it grabs the soil. It'll take out just about anything that you throw at it. It loves oil. This polymer that we use in our products, the Crystalon 3 polymer, pulls oily soil into it. It holds the soil in suspension, dries down brittle, comes out during normal post-vacuuming. But what makes Encap-Clean DS2 really stand out is that it just has the muscle. It's got the firepower to go after just about anything you're going to encounter on a daily basis when it comes to Encap cleaning. So when it comes to Encap cleaning, absolutely grab this one. It's why it's so popular. It's the #1 Encap product in the industry. Everybody recognizes Encap-Clean DS2 as the standard for good encapsulation cleaning. Now, why are we mentioning other products? I want to also talk to you about this guy over here, Encap-Punch. Now, Encap-Punch is a encapsulating pre-spray. So when it comes to situations where you've got a really hammered traffic lane or you've got some really grungy parts of a carpet, pre-spray with Encap-Punch. This is a pre-spray, uses the same polymer technology that we have, for example, in Encap-Clean DS2. Now, this product, when you use them together, you're going to find that you can actually back off just a little bit with the Encap-Clean DS2. You're not going to use quite as much as you clean. You're going to feather out your solution a little lighter because Encap-Punch is already loosening things up, and you're going to see a reduction in usage of Encap-Clean DS2 solution that you're applying to the carpet as you're cleaning. What you're going to get, though, with Encap-Punch is it's going to really knock the tenacity out of those tough stains, the stuff that's going to otherwise give you a fight. And it's going to break the soils that are binding to the fiber so that when you go along with your standard Encap cleaning, it makes it easy. Now, some other features of Encap-Punch is that because it's primarily based on a pre-spray application, it can also be used in a rinse application. So in other words, you can use this in hot water extraction applications, Encap-Punch. So now you've got a product that can be sitting in your truck. You can use it for general pre-spray applications. You can use this even as an encapsulation rinse detergent in your hot water extraction machine, whether you're metering it through a truck mount or using it in a portable. Encap-Punch can be an excellent rinse detergent too. And the great thing here is that because it's designed to dry down brittle, it's not going to leave any soil attracting residue behind. It's actually going to leave the carpet more soil resistant. It's CRI approved. It's just a great product all around. So you can cover a lot of ground with Encap-Punch, and using it together with Encap-Clean DS2, it gives you that extra punch, that extra firepower when you're tackling something really tough, something that's going to otherwise, just be extra hard. So rather than making extra passes with your DS2, using Encap-Punch on those really hammered traffic lanes and tough areas is just going to make your job that much easier. Now, we move over to Encap-HydrOx. Encap-HydrOx uses a different polymer, same concept, but we actually had to use a unique polymer in Encap-HydrOx, unique compared to the Crystalon 3 that we put in everything else. This polymer that we're using in Encap-HydrOx is unique because the hydrogen peroxide is so potent. It's really, you could say, kind of volatile. It's a very strong hydrogen peroxide that we have in this formulation. And we had to come up with a hydrogen peroxide stable version of a good encapsulation polymer that would do what we can do with our other polymers. So this has a very unique polymer. What we get from Encap-HydrOx is its ability. What we love about it is it can just break down organic soils. So if you've got anything organic in the carpet, for example, too, if you have browning, water stains, anything at all organic, you got red wine, coffee, vomit, urine, you name it, Encap-HydrOx is going to go after those stains. So you can use it topically as a spot remover. You know, you can use it as strong as 1-to-1 as a very strong spot remover for those small spots, but it's going to take out just about anything it comes across on the organic side. It also has a really nice ability to add a color pop to the carpet. In fact, Encap-Clean DS2 does that too. All of our products really brighten the carpet. There are no optical brighteners in these products, but you're going to find the color pop because the hydrogen peroxide really gives it a punch. Now, you do want to make sure that you're working with a synthetic fiber, because basically hydrogen peroxide could affect coloring if the color's not stable in the carpet. So that kind of gives you a rundown, an overview of how these products stack up. I recommend really all three of them. Encap-Clean DS2 being the center point, that's going to give you the muscle to clean just about anything you come across if you're doing standard encapsulation cleaning. Encap-Punch as a pre-spray, Encap-HydrOx for organic soils. Together, it's like the perfect trifecta. It covers everything from A to Z for your Encap needs. So give them a try. I'll put links to them in the description below. It's just one more way. We're here to help you max your Encap. Reach out to us if you've got any questions. We want to help you be successful in your business. Thank you for watching this episode. Please, if you would, give us a thumbs up. That helps with YouTube. Subscribe to our channel and share your comments below about these products. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks and have a great day. We'll look forward to you in our next episode.